Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Commodity TV here, still in Zurich at the Zurich Invest offices. And now with me here is Pelangio Exploration, and Ingrid Hibbard, the CEO of the company, wants to give us an update, of course. Good morning. Great to have you here.
It's a beautiful day here in Zurich.
It's so lovely. We should be outside having some cold drinks. No, but first of all, we talk about your lovely company. Maybe you can remind us shortly, you're working in Ghana, right?
Yes. So, well, we're Canadian-based, and we're focused in Ghana, West Africa, and Ontario, Canada. So those are two really mining-friendly jurisdictions with a history of mining going back centuries, and lots of gold production from the two of them. So very exciting places to work.
Absolutely. So we spoke the last time November. So what happened in the last 6 months? Maybe you can give us an update.
Well, as you know, we were raising some money. So in the last year, we've successfully raised about $1.75 million, and that's allowed us to start a bit of a drill program in Ghana. So given the market that we've just come out of, it's really fun to be able to be drilling again and to get going. And we're drilling at our Manfo project in Ghana, where we have an existing resource.
So, how large is the resource so far?
So it's almost 500,000 ounces. It's 195,000 ounces in the indicated category, and another 298,000 in the inferred category. So, when we spoke before, we talked about our experience and how we've had a previous project, the Detour project, and that's given us a lot of confidence about cycles in the gold market. And that's really where the big wins come. In real estate, well, maybe in mining too, it tends to be location, 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 but it's also timing, timing, timing. So if you can get those two things right, then that's wealth generation. And when we spoke before, we talked about how excited we are about wealth generation and the opportunity that the mining sector gives for wealth generation. And with our previous experience at Detour, which is now the largest mine in Canada, we acquired that during the downturn, and it was the timing that allowed our investors to make up to 100 times their money. So I feel like, I feel like we're coming into that cycle now. Now, it's been awful, but we're coming into a better cycle. And it was during the last downturn that we came up with that resource, because our strategy is it's all about positioning yourself during the bottom part of the cycle to take advantage of the coming good cycle.
Buy cheap.
Buy cheap, buy low, sell high. That's the plan. So exactly. So I think we're coming into a better market. We're just starting to drill, but we're going to keep it modest because we're just starting in the cycle. So you do have to be careful with your money.
Absolutely. So careful with the money is the one thing, but the other thing is the drills are turning. So how many meters you are doing this year? What's the plan maybe?
Well, actually, so we're doing two different kinds of drilling. So we did an early stage reconnaissance program, which was just 40-meter holes, so we were able to do a fair bit of that. And now we're doing some diamond drilling. So we'll probably get about, I don't know, maybe 8 to 10 holes out of it, of 100, 150 meters. Oh, excuse me. So it's a combination of reconnaissance, looking for new areas. Now, remember at Manfo, it's a 100 square kilometer package.
It's really big.
The existing resource is along a 9-kilometer trend where we made 7 discoveries, and the resource is only on 3 of them. During the downturn, we identified a couple other parallel structures. So there's a lot of reconnaissance work to be done yet, too. So we're pretty excited about it. The other project that we have in Ghana is the one that brought us together. Well, we have 3, but the sort of the next priority or project is our Obuasi project. So it's 250 square kilometers. It's directly on strike and contiguous to the Obuasi mine. The Obuasi mine is the largest vein-hosted deposit in the world. About a 50-plus million ounce mine, produced for over a century. And we are on that structure. So that's the project that originally brought us to Ghana after Detour. Our experience previously had been in Canada. Our analogy for people who know Canada with the Obuasi mine at being 250 square kilometers on strike with the largest vein-hosted deposit in the world, is it would be like having 250 square kilometers contiguous to the Hollinger mine on the Dester-Porcupine Fault. It's truly a spectacular exploration potential project, you know, in our estimation, one of the best around.
So second detour.
I hope so.
Hope so too, absolutely.
So, you know, have a couple kicks at the cat, you know, and so our third project in Ghana is our Chroma Cat project, which we have optioned out to Roscan that has to spend $2 million to earn 50% to kind of leverage our money again. And recently in Canada, we have 4 projects in Canada, one in sort of the Red Lake area, two in Timmins, and one in the Hemlo area. At our Birch Lake project, we just acquired an NSR royalty on 18 square kilometers adjoining our property. And that 18 square kilometers is contiguous to our property and Springpole's 4.4 million ounce development project. So we're looking forward to kind of working collaboratively with that group in Canada. So there's going to be a lot going on in the next little while.
That really sounds like. A new resource estimate for next year, maybe, or for this year already?
I think not. I think because we've got so much potential and areas to look for, I think we will be focusing. Infill drilling is really expensive, and we're just sort of at the beginning of the cycle here. So I think we're just going to sort of begin to show uncover potential.
Okay, I see. Perfect. As you said, you raised the money, and as you said, drilling costs money and is expensive, of course. So you're covered for this year. That's fine.
We're covered for this year to
Almost.
Do that.
Yeah.
If we want to do a little bit more, well, then we may have to do another raise. But you know, you never say you're raising money.
Yeah, of course, of course. No, I mean from the more positive side, because then this gives investors again the chance
We're in
to
good
participate
shape, you know?
In your fantastic projects.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Yes, exactly.
Exactly. Super. Well, Ingrid, thank you very much for the update. Sounds really compelling to me, and you have picked up great projects again, I would say.
We used the downturn to get ourselves well positioned.
That's how it should be. Super. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Ingrid Hibbard from Pelangio Exploration, the CEO. And you heard it. Fantastic projects they have picked up. They do it again, like they did with Detour Lake. And so it's Africa, and it's also Canada. Great mining jurisdictions here in Ghana. And there's already 500,000 ounces resource. So I would say check out the company. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Zurich.